we're getting a puppy and he's going to arrive any minute. And I've cleared up the entire house. I've made this puppy-proof barrier out of our drying rack. Hopefully that will keep him away from all of James's work equipment. But yeah, really excited. So I'm going to go and get the dog and I'll show you once he's in the house. This is Bitey Man. Oh, Bitey Man is tired. Oh! No, I'm going to chew it. Ow! Ow! Don't bite my knee. Ay! Don't talk back. Don't talk back. Don't talk back. I will put you in the naughty corner. Start eating that. Am I gonna have to take it away from you? Yeah, I think I'm gonna have to take that away from you. Let's just have that. Let's just have that. There we go. Yes, I'm gonna take that away from you. Where have you gone? What is that? What is that? Is that the yummiest thing you've ever smelled? What do you think's happening here? Do you think that you're going to get some pizza? Hey, little one. Is this comfy down here? Do you want to sit on the sofa with us? Hey? Gorgeous. Are you tired? Oh. Slipping.
Stop licking me.
Means you're not biting you. Oh.
What's up, little buddy?
Are you going to do a poo in our kitchen again? Are you going to go to the mat like a good boy? He's been gone an awfully long time. What have you been doing? What have you been doing? Oh, there's a little pile of poo in the corridor. Is there a little pile of poo? Oh yes, thank you for my present. Thank you for my present. Who's that? What are you doing under the sofa? What are you doing under the sofa? What are you doing under the sofa, little woman? Shh, shh. No. I won't talk to you when you're like this. That's right. That's right. You don't talk back in this household. I'm not going to play with you if you're going to bark at me. Bien perro. Bien perro. Bien perro. You're very smart, aren't you? Okay. ¿Qué pasa? Are you going to show everybody how smart you are? Here is how you train a puppy. Siéntate. Bien. Siéntate. Bien. Siéntate. Bien. Siéntate. 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 Bien. Aquí. Aquí. Siéntate. Bien, perro. Aquí. Siéntate. Bien, perro. Every time I stop playing with him, he barks at me. You're so demanding. You're so demanding. Eat your tail. You're so noisy. You're so noisy. Yes, you are. I can't play with you all night. You reckon I can I? It's not as good as chewing my hand, huh? You are insatiable. How do I stop this? Do I just do this before? Oh, baby! You alright? Yeah, you're alright, aren't you? Hello? Aren't you beautiful? Ooh. Hello? 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 No. Lemmy, come here. Come on. You gonna get into bed? Are you gonna get into bed or are you gonna sleep down there?
Socks are wet as well, and those change when they're warm.
There's wee everywhere. Come on. Come on. Come on. No. I don't understand. You've got all this lovely soft space here, and the bed. You're choosing to sleep on the hard wooden floor. You are a strange puppy. Hey, little one. Yeah. Are you ready to go home? Are you ready to go home? Who's that? Who's that? Who's that? Who's that?
Hey!
Lemmy.
Hola! Yeah, kid misbehaved, right?
Not really so good.
Yeah, he was alright.
I don't know.
Well, I am exhausted. I didn't sleep much the night before we got the dog because I couldn't fall asleep. I had a really bad back. And he arrived at like 10 o'clock in the morning on Monday. And then I didn't sleep at all last night because he kept waking us up by like chewing our feet. And then his dad came and picked him up at whatever time it is now. I think it's like midday. So yeah, I've had like no sleep for the last 2 nights. I'm looking forward to falling asleep early tonight. You can see the bags under my eyes. I am never having children. Oh my God, my sleep is too important to me. So yeah, I'm still in bed, and I'm gonna be in bed for the next 48 hours, I think. It's great fun though. I enjoyed it. I enjoyed looking after him, and it was really nice to have a furry little hot water bottle. But yeah, he's at that age where everything that moves is fair game to be chewed. So if you wriggle your toes in the middle of the night, you get pounced on. Oh my God. This is the barricade that we've set up to keep the puppy away from all my music equipment. And we had to put the other sofa cushions on the edge of the floor there because he kept going under the bed and chewing my guitar case. But it worked. So yeah, we managed to keep him away from all my cables. Yeah. I'm so tired. Anyway, yeah, that was fun. I'm not going to be getting my own puppy anytime soon, though. So sorry to disappoint a couple of people. If you follow me on Instagram, you'll have seen my my story post where I showed that I was looking after a puppy, but I didn't say that it wasn't mine. And so many people messaged me like, you got a puppy. No, I didn't. I'm I'm not ready for that kind of commitment. Yeah, it's been fun, but I'm going to go and watch some David Attenborough and sleep. I hope you've enjoyed my video, and I hope to see you at my next one. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see y'all later. Bye!